Important stats. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Coach Bonnie Tan, and our player of the game, Arvin. Coach Bonnie, bumalik na naman ngayong gabi ang inyong depensa that you have taken so much pride in. Kaya nakatakbo kayo and you were able to play your transition game. Ano ba ang mga naging focus nyo on defense? Kaya na-disrupt yung flow at yung magandang offensa ng Eastern.
Yeah, basically, we took advantage of yung Hong Kong team na they just came from a game sa Hong Kong. So, we outrun them. Na-recover ulit namin yung transition points namin. And yung assist department namin as a team, nag-step up ulit.
Thank you, Coach. Arvin, you seem to have enjoyed yourself tonight, outsmarting Eastern, especially with the way that you drew fouls. How much of a challenge was it for you going up against Eastern tonight? And was there anything different in your usual approach?
It's always fun, no? Pagka siyempre iba yung pagdayo yung kalaban mo, or when you play outside the country. Meron laging factor yung talagang may yung gusto mong manalo. And that's what happened today. And I'm happy na maganda yung nilaro ko ngayon. And yun na, I try to just play outsmart. Every game naman yun yung approach ko. And yeah, I guess yun nga, may advantage din kami kasi naglaro din sila sa EASL the other day. Then turn around, so
Yung ano lang, medyo assist sa error. Makita niyo si Arvin na committed 0 error.
Yeah.
So, I give credit to Arvin, no, kasi last time medyo mataas, no? Mataas yung errors niya, and yung rebounding niya, again, we need Arvin. Sinasabi namin to win the game, mas maraming times sa loob ng court, we need your rebounding contribution din.
We're now opening the floor to the media.
Arvin, congratulations.
thank you.
Give me, sabi mo nung last game after yung sakit na talo sa Phoenix na itong game na to will probably dictate yung kung tatakbo nyo. Now that you beat Eastern, kano kalaking bagay yun in terms of yung gusto nyong ma-achieve dito sa conference?
Well, the moral ng team ngayon, kumbaga tumaas na ulit. Coming from a loss nung Phoenix the other day, or nung Tuesday, medyo, yun nga, medyo masakit din para sa amin dahil, di ba, sa top of the standings, tapos talo kami sa Phoenix na winless. I mean, hindi ko naman, down yung Phoenix, but they're a great team. And I guess that's a good thing. I said may positive din na nangyari dun sa talo namin, dahil ngayon nga bumalik yung gutom talaga namin, and nag-enjoy kami to play Eastern. Ngayon mataas yung moral namin dahil isa sa pinakamalakas sa team din tong Eastern, natalo namin. Tapos coming off a loss pa, yung bounce back game namin yun. So I guess we're okay. Let's see next year. We have actually mabigat yung schedule namin next year.
Remaining games namin, we have last 4 remaining games. Medyo talagang sabi namin, we can get yung magic number for a playoff spot. Why not get it itong year habang sineswerte. Yung yun na, sabi ko sa kanila, ang hirap man makakuha ng ng wins dito sa PBA. So while given the chance na yung runs natin, huwag natin putulin and continue lang yung good runs para kasi minsan na mangyari, minsan na ibigilan itong blessing na ito.
Coach, after this next year na yung lalaro nyo, no? Parang mga 3 weeks yata yung pahinga nyo. Yung momentum nyo ba, tingin nyo mawawala sa result of that?
Yeah, we spoke about that side, no, yung regarding sa long break, Christmas break. But I told the team na they're all professionals naman and they know how to take care dapat yung sa conditioning nila, no, and yung timing, no, para to continue the good run atong nakukuha namin panalo. So yun, may building kami. If we get a good standing, we'll get a long break this holiday season.
Thank you, Coach Bonnie and Arvin. Merry Christmas. See you next year.
Merry Christmas din.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.